Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. So as you can see, today we are here with the Mercedes AMG CLS 53. This is already the third generation of the CLS. But this model is the top of the notch and very distinctive between the standard models. It has a gorgeous hyacinth wrought exterior metallic color. So this CLS 53 is very provocative, especially with the coupe line and the very luxurious presence, as well as in the interior. So in this video I will show you the complete exterior, interior, and we will take it for a night drive here in the city. So I've got the key right here. This is the new Mercedes Benz design with a black glossy material as well as metal. So let's unlock the car and we will have a look at the headlights. How they brighten and illuminate in this gorgeous white color. I especially like the options of this car. It has a lot and the total value is set to 150,000 euros. It has the night package, so you have these AMG front bumpers in a blacked out color. And two horizontal lines with the AMG emblem. We also saw this from the previous 63 AMG models. Now the 53 AMGs have the vertical Panamericana grille like the GLE 53. So let's have a look at what's under the hood of this CLS 53 AMG. It has a 3-inline 6-cylinder engine. And you can see the cylinders over there with the AMG cover. So this CLS 53 produces 450 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. It is accompanied with a 48-volt electric motor. The top speed is 270 km an hour because this CLS 53 has the AMG Performance package. From 0 to 100 km an hour in just 4.5 seconds. So I will just close the hood. We will take a quick spin around the car before we take this for a night drive here in the city. I will just unlock the car again for you to see the lights. Here from the side it is gorgeous. It has the new design with not too many lines here on the side, but it has this AMG side skirt and gorgeous lights with a V shape on the ground. The turbo 4MATIC Plus emblem here on the side. And let's pay some attention to these beautiful rims. These are the AMG 5 twin-spoke light alloy wheels. They are painted in black with a high sheen finish. I really like the shapes here with the curves in the center and the Mercedes star. And it also has the gap in the front bumper for aerodynamics. And the CLS is based on the E-Class platform, but it has the S-Class luxury. The total length is more than 5 meters. So now let's have a look at the rear of the car, which is the most stunning part in my opinion. I had to get used of these new design tail lights, but now with this spoiler for the CLS 53 and the quattro exhaust tips, it really looks pretty aggressive. It has the AMG emblem right here and the CLS 53 emblem on the other side. And the spoiler in the very cool exterior color is a bold statement for superior performance. Really aggressive. And here it has a nice diffuser in the center which connects fully to these large exhaust tips. And for the 53 model we know that they are very wide, around 9 centimeters. So let's start the car and we will take it for a drive. So let's get inside. It has the keyless entry, so just put your hand on the door handle and it will open. The AMG emblem down here. I will just press the button for the electronics to work. Here it says AMG and a gorgeous 2 digital screen. Both are 13 inches. So let's start the engine and we will listen to the sound. Nice crackles. So let's see how it accelerates. Amazing. And as you could see, the headlights automatically brighten as you drive in a higher speed. So now we are driving in the city center in night. A perfect opportunity to have a look at the ambient lighting in the interior. Let me just press the light button and here you can see a gorgeous bright center console as well as door trim. And the amazing AMG steering wheel with a flat bottom and 2 vertical lines. I will just press the touchpad on the left side of the steering wheel and swipe to the right to stealth. Let's put it into classic. Still in the comfort mode, it has a lot of power. I really like these turbine style air vents, 4 of them here in the center console. And 1 on each side. Very high, so it actually feels like you're laying down in this interior. It also has an AMG mode where you can see the boost, G-force, lap time and more. So let's do our 0 to something. Extremely fast. So let's open the sunroof and listen. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you like this video with the all new Mercedes CLS 53 AMG, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.